It's so easy to let things like cliches and overused similes slip into your writing. I mean, phrases like light as a feather or hungry as a horse are used so frequently in everyday language that we can write them without even realizing it. But it's also easy to reach too hard in the other direction, trying to create this really unique, original simile and ending up with a mixed metaphor that makes no sense. A great simile can elevate your prose, make your narrative voice shine, reveal more layers to your protagonist, and really connect your reader to all the big, beautiful themes running underneath the surface of your story. But writing a good simile can be hard as a rock, tough as nails, as tricky as a really hard trick. Here's a fun, easy creative writing exercise that you can use to get all of those cliche old similes out of your system and find new similes that are truly unique and evoke images in a fresh new way. Take a stack of note cards or post-its and split them into 2 stacks. Start writing all the most overused similes you can think of, but write the first half up through like or as on one stack and the second half of the simile on the other stack. Do this for 3 minutes or until your brain is drained of cliches. When you're done, take the second stack and shuffle it up. Now, start making new matches. Yes, most of these are going to be ridiculous nonsense, but eventually you'll come across something really interesting. The longer you do this, the more inspired you'll get and the more you'll start to think of really great imaginative similes. Make sure to write down your favorites so you can use them in your next story. And as always, please don't forget to share your best and worst similes in the comments below. That's it for today's Fiction Fix-It. Stay tuned Friday for the next one, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. And until next time, keep writing.